drawn onto the streets, angry at the government's plans to charge them for accessing the internet. The proposed law could see Hungary's 7 million internet users paying a tax of about 60 cents per gigabyte, capped at $3 a month.
It's a human right to have internet. This tax is the most stupid thing. Other countries like Estonia, they give internet for free to everyone. Here in Hungary, you will have to pay tax on every gigabyte. A certain percentage will turn into an income for the state.
Gathered in front of the Economy Ministry in central Budapest, many believe the tax is part of a broader move by the government.
The government could not completely stop the freedom of expression with the media law in 2010. This is why they try to tax internet this time. So they will make the internet more expensive for people when 4 million people already live under the poverty line. These people will find it very difficult to pay the tax, even if it's €2.
The internet tax is the latest in a number of controversial levies and penalties introduced by the government. These include charges on phone calls and text messages and levies on advertising revenue. Hungary is one of the European Union's most indebted nations, and the government says the measures are intended to help it restore its finances. But one leading telecoms company says the tax could cost the sector and the people of Hungary more than $400 million a year.
This is a good occasion for a lot of people to come here to show they are unhappy with the government's tax and economic policies. This was only the icing of the cake, but it's interesting that this topic brought so many people together.
The protest organisers have given the government 48 hours to withdraw the tax law and have threatened more protests on Tuesday if this doesn't happen. Tarek Bazley, Al Jazeera.